4th of July, everybody. I'll turn me. I'm out here at the storage. Yeah, this is my brother's truck. Right here. And this piece right here, this is mine. I came out to the storage to replace this battery, and so I can get it inspected tomorrow, and by Friday have already cleaned up trailer on it because we're gonna haul some trucks to a truck show. And sorry about the dust. Even if it's in the storage, it's been blowing dust like crazy out here. But I will get that cleaned up. I will have a little fun test drive tomorrow so y'all can see it out. Again, sorry about the dust. But yeah, give me a little bit, change out the battery. It's hot in the storage. I just want to change it, get it out, get it ready for tomorrow. All right, I'll be right back. All right, guys, I got the battery installed. I did turn the key so it would, how do I say it, relearn its stuff, because if you don't let it relearn and just try to start it, the AC won't work right. They'll have like a, instead of cold, it'll be hot, and or instead of low, it'll be high, or high to low. So you gotta let it to relearn itself. Let me go ahead and start it up right now. Okay, here we go. And as you can see, oops, sorry, gotta change the oil too. Let me see. Right there. See that, guys? 96,000 miles still. 2005 Chevy Silverado SS. 96,000 miles. Here we go. Hear that? And I do believe I got my cats off. Let me step out just a little bit so you can hear a little better, or open the door. Alright guys, that's it for now. I'll see you tomorrow. I can get the inspection done so I can get my new sticker out, so I can take it for a little joyride tomorrow. And again, excuse me for the dusty here in the shops. And later on I'll give you a walkthrough of this one too. Alright guys.